Authorities are searching for those who may have been infected in a recent cluster of cases linked to nightclubs and bars. Nearly 90 people have been reported to be linked to such establishments in Itaewon, a popular nightlife district in Seoul. For details, let's turn to our Choi Won-jong.
South Korea continues its battle to contain the cluster infections linked with bars and clubs in Itaewon, Seoul. The Korea Centers for Disease Control and Prevention said Monday that the total number of COVID-19 cases in connection with Itaewon is now at 86, and that 35% of the cases were asymptomatic. In Seoul, there are 21 newly confirmed cases, bringing the total connect with the Itaewon to 51. With more cases linked to the Itaewon clubs, the streets of these popular nightlife districts are very quiet.
People in Seoul were ready to return to normal life following the government's move to ease social distancing restrictions. But due to Itaewon club cluster infections, the streets are empty again.
And so some restaurant owners in the area have begun to see a drop in the number of customers.
Before the coronavirus started, usually we had around 100 or more people in a day. But now it decreased like 80%. We are having only 20% of that customers.
To contain this new coronavirus outbreak, the local district office is testing as many people who visited the clubs as they can. Among those lining up outside the health center, some foreign nationals came to get tested too, so not to spread the virus within their community.
So the whole school doesn't get infected. Also because when we live in the dorms, we are in contact with many people every day.
Yongsan-gu District Office has seen more than 200 people tested just today, with around 700 being tested over the last weekend. However, health authorities are still worried that around 3,000 people who may have been exposed to the virus in Itaewon are not coming forward for testing. Seoul Mayor Park Won-sun said Monday the city will provide free anonymous testing, but in the meantime, health authorities are continuing to urge people to get tested at the local health centers right away. Choi Won-jong, Arirang News.